today we have a job on the Freelander that I'm going to attempt to start myself because my dad's not in, but I don't have the most knowledgeable mechanical experience, so we're doing the air condenser. It's in this box here, so let me just unbox that. It's in this box in here and it's quite big, so I've never seen a condenser before. Here it is. Air condenser. It's quite thin, it's strapped down to the box. You can actually see how thin it is. I didn't realise they were that thin. But that will go behind here somewhere. Behind there. And yes, my car's dirty, it needs clean. The amount of dust is crazy, but let me just attempt to start taking the bumper off. First thing would be to pop the bonnet. To pop the bonnet, which is just here. And it'll be going down here somewhere, I'm pretty sure. I got no idea. First thing to do would be to actually find a spanner. And one of these should fit, I'm just not sure which one. I can take this whole box with me over there and just figure out which one fits. I found the one that fits, but you can see the shape, it's like not the same shape, but if you see it does actually fit, so I'm just going to use that. Now let's see if we can get this off. I don't know which way is left or right to loosen. It's the other way, I think. Pretty sure it's this way. But other than in doing these bolts, I actually don't know how to get it off from here. The bumper. I know I have to undo bolts, but what do I do after that? Right, so we're just going to get all of these off. And I'll be back once we've did all that. Got the last bolt, I think it's the last bolt. Put it down there, don't lose it. There's 4 bolt holes. Oh yeah. Coming off, but you see now I don't know how to get it off from here. Do I need to take out the headlights? I don't know if I need to take out the headlights. I think I do, so I'm going to do it. I'm going to just take out the headlights and just hope for the best. And it probably wasn't the best idea wearing clean clothes. My hands are dirty already. Alright, so I'm just going to take off this headlight here and hope this is what I'm meant to do. I actually don't know. 2 bolts off. This should just come off. Clip. I don't know how to get it out, I've got the clip off. Well, I'm just going to do this one over here and see. My dad might be back by the time, but I just can't. It's not coming off, and I don't know if I've undid this clip. I don't know if I need to do anything else. Alright, I don't have a tripod. Well, I do, but it's upstairs and I'm resting you on the bin. I got this one out. And there's like a plug. I got this headlight out, but I don't know how to get the other one out. I'd imagine it's the same thing, but it just doesn't seem to want to come out. But maybe I need to unplug it back here first. I just need to find the plug, but I literally can't see it down there. I literally can't reach this plug and look. I'm destroying myself with oil. Got it. There's some force. I got it all out. Now I need to figure out how to get this bumper off. I'm going to watch a YouTube video. I'm actually just going to wait for my dad to get back, because apparently you have to unscrew some bolts under here, but I'm not sure. I don't want to do it wrong, so I'm just going to wait for him to get back and he'll just tell me what to do. Back to save the day. Alright, he's got my bumper off, so I couldn't do it, so he had to come to the rescue. But the majority of this is going to be on his channel because he's actually doing it. So I'll link him in the description because he'll be doing this. So if you want to watch him actually take this off and do this properly, go to his channel because the full video will be on there. We've gotten as far as taking off that thing. And this is the old one. And this is the new one. So you can see that is filthy. It's probably never been taken off before because it's not even silver anymore, it's black. And this one's silver.
Crash one.
Crash bar, that's what it is, crash bar. And pretty much every single little thing has came off this car. All down here. Unboxing time. The old one's over there. We got it out. Now we've got to put this one in. We've got it in. All put in. So we'll put in the old ones over there. Well, I think you already seen that. So it's all in, ready to go, ready to put back together. Then to regas, and I'll have working aircon. Sitting in that car in the summer is literally torture. But if you want to see the actual process of putting this on, go to his channel, I'll link it in the description, and there'll be a video up at the same time as this video. So you'll see it on there. At this point I was just screwing back in the headlights, and that's pretty much the whole thing done. Thanks for watching, guys.